Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a little mouse trail in Scratch. So let's get started. First, let's go to Scratch. That dang it. Okay, let me just make my webcam a little bit smaller and put it up a little bit more here. Why is this not working, man? I don't want it to be big. Okay, don't care about that. Nice. Let me show you guys how to make it. First, choose what you want for this, right? I'm just going to rename this to Cat E. And just so you guys know, we're making a mouse trail. And it's really easy to make. That's why I'm not going to show the result right now. But you guys can skip over to the later. So yeah. First, go ahead and do when green flag clicked forever. Okay, don't forget to go to 00. Forever go to mouse pointer. To mouse pointer. Where's the mouse pointer? Go to not random position, mouse pointer. Now, as you guys can see, it's roaming around. And let's get in full screen mode. And let's rename the project to mouse trail. Nice. Now, as you guys can see, it's looking really good for us, for Scratchy. So now let's go ahead and do create clone of myself. And I do go ahead and do when I start as a clone. Now, whenever you start as a clone, it's supposed to go ahead and go -1. So go ahead and change x by -1, change y by -1, and then repeat 10 times, and then do delete this clone. Now, as you guys can see, it's moving really smooth. It looks also 3D sometimes if you put it like that. Nice. Now let's go ahead and add some cool other effects. Point towards mouse pointer. So now you've got it running like this. And now it looks so much cooler. But there's a little problem. There's a little problem with this thing. Rather than doing like that, just go ahead and do -1. Move -1 steps. Now what that's going to do is do the exact same thing, but it's just a whole lot easier, my lines of code. And I don't think -1 should be good. Let's go ahead and do -0.5. Why is this freaking movement just makes it so much? So let's just repeat 5 times. That looks so much better. Now, as you guys can see, if I zoom it too much, but it will just duplicate somewhere else. But don't care about that. And let's go ahead and add some cooler effects. And let's go ahead and do change color effect by 25%. Nice. And go ahead and do change what is mosaic? Oh yeah, that's another thing that just draws more of the clones. Just not clone it exactly, but it just makes more. So let's go ahead and do change ghost effect 25. Why does that look so bad? Okay, I don't think 25 is a good number. So let's go ahead and do just 5. Why does this look so non-good, bro? Why does this look so non-good? Why don't I see the effect even working? Okay, I think 10 should be a good amount. 10 definitely should. See, it's making that type of cool effect. But let's try out 15. 15 might do better. Yeah, that does definitely much better. But I want it to be... what about 20? So now 20% of the clones are just going to be like disappearing. No, 15 is enough. 15. What about 17? 17 is even greater, bro. Yeah, that looks great, but I think 15 is greater. 15. Nice. Now let's go ahead and change size by minus 10. Now see this in action, and as you guys can see, it looks even more 3D for some reason. But at least it looks good. As you guys can see, it looks great. But minus 10 does not seem like a great value. But at least it looks good. Now, let's change the 25 to also 15. Not 16, Matt. 15. Why does this look all holy green? Holy going poop. Why is this all green? Let's change that to 20. 20 should be a better. God damn it. Okay. 25. Okay, 25 is the weirdest value. Let's just do 50. 50. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, now this has the ever type of effect, and I like it. So, thanks for watching my video. And just so you guys know, the more you repeat it, the more clones come, as you guys can see. Because if I just go ahead and set this to 30 like I did last time, I think. And it just goes ahead and does like this. But if you guys just go ahead and change this little effect to be 10 or something, it makes it so much weirder. But the size is... why did the size go away, man? Set size to 100. Bruh. I think... nice. Now, if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye. And make sure to subscribe or else... Shut up. Okay, see you guys later in the next video. Bye-bye.